Hi Angel, this is Sharon. I figured I would record a screen video for you on your program so that I can help you um, to develop this program. So you had wanted to have your students spell their name, but why don't you just have them do a please enter your name. So that would be the ask block. And if you recall, that is what you used in your questions, your 3-question quiz. So if you ask the user, what is your name? It's going to place it in the answer variable. The variable answer is a generic global variable that's going to be used by all of the sprites. So if you are getting actually into the spelling of the student's name, that's a very different type of program, because then you'd have to verify that the student spelled it correctly. What I would suggest is simply just do an ask, what is your name, and wait, and then use the answer. What they enter is going to be put into the answer. So even if they put Alec, A-L-E-C, or they put W, that's going to be inside that answer field. Then what you can do is you can go to the operators block, and you can make a sentence by joining the like words inside of where it says apple. Put something to the effect of hello and then space or a comma, and then inside this second block place answer. That's where the name lives, and then put all of that into a say block. So you would plop that into here, the join, and I would do it for more than 2 seconds. So that is how you capture the person's name, is by using that sensing block, which is ask, what is your name? Otherwise, if you are getting into how you spell your name, that's a very different, more complicated program where you would have to examine each letter and then go against a database to see if they entered it correctly. So I don't think that that's the road you want to go down. So I hope that that helps. And then I'm just curious as to what you want to do with that information. And also I noticed that your project is untitled. I would strongly suggest that you give it a title. And I would work on your worksheet first to figure out what you want the program to do, because it looks like you're hitting the code right away, and that's usually a mistake, because then what happens is that you're going to find that you're going to concatenate block after block after block after block, and it becomes a narrative versus a program that does things for you. So you should plan out what broadcast and when I receives that you're going to do, so that you have very concise code so that it will do things for you. Let the program do the work for you instead of concatenating all sorts of statements one after another, because that's not programming, that's writing, that's a presentation, that's not programming. So let the program do the work for you.